Greetings and welcome. Welcome back to the sweet spot, beautiful souls. This is Take Action Tuesday here on the sweet spot. And yes, we are in the middle of a wonderful series on the power of body language. I'm Dr. Derek Sweet. I'm your host. As you know, I'm a board-certified psychiatrist who specializes in high performance. And more than that, I'm all about partnering with you on living the best life ever, of being the best version of yourself ever. That's what we're all about here on the sweet spot. We're all on the journey. So yesterday we kicked off this incredible series on the power of body language with some game-changing insights. I want to just review for you really quickly that we talked about yesterday on Making Moves Monday, that you can own the room before you say a word. That posture and eye contact set the tone for how you're going to communicate. We talked about taking that calm breath and having a grounded presence. We spoke about the idea that the most important communication is what you're not saying. It's what your body is saying. And that's why we're doing this series. Because whether you're on the court, on the field, in the boardroom, raising kids, in the kitchen, in your car, getting ready to step out into the world, or just showing up for life, your body is always communicating something. And most of us are unaware of the messages that our body is sending. And this particular week on the sweet spot, we're spending time with body language because it's super important that we be aware of what our body is communicating. So, Take Action Tuesday, we're taking it a little further. What if your body could lead your mind? That's a concept that doesn't always come immediately to our thinking, that our body could lead our mind. You don't always feel ready, but guess what? You can move like you are. That's not faking it. That's called activating it. Let's talk action today on Tuesday, Take Action Tuesday. Try this. One of the things that we coach a lot of executives, individuals who have to go in front of a lot of people, give a big speech, or sometimes you have to do a performance and you're feeling anxious, we tell folks to go to the mirror and do a power pose. You know what a power pose is? It's about standing with your feet apart, your shoulders back, your hands on your hips, and standing in a wide stance in front of a mirror for about a minute or two. Research shows that when you adopt this posture, standing with your feet apart, shoulders back, hands on the hips, resting wide. Sometimes people put their hands behind their head, they lock their fingers and put their hands behind their head. The research shows that when you adopt a posture like this in front of a mirror, you lower your cortisol. You send your brain a message that you're powerful. You can even raise hormones in your body like testosterone just by taking this posture. So this is your body giving feedback to your brain. After 60 seconds, your nervous system gets a message, I've got this. Try it sometime if you feel anxious or if you have to do something that puts you in front of a large crowd. That's called the power pose. So let's say you have to give a speech. You can now add your hands to this. Use your hands when you speak. Show your palms. That signals a sense of peace and calm. Point with clarity. That shows or signals a bit of authority. Let gestures breathe with your voice. This is high performance communication tips I'm giving you right now. It is. This is high performance communication. It's ancient and it's instinctive. You point with clarity, you show your palms when you're talking, boy, it goes a long way. And the ancient wisdom anchors what I'm saying. It echoes it. Here's a line from Proverbs. He who walks with integrity walks securely. That's not just a moral line. It's not just a moral truth. It's a physical truth. When your body aligns with calm strength, you walk differently, you speak differently, and you lead with security. He who walks with integrity, with an honesty of himself or herself, walks securely. Confidence my friend, doesn't always come first. Sometimes you've got to move like it. And the movement, it sparks the confidence. He or she who walks with integrity can walk securely. So here's your challenge on Take Action Tuesday. Before your next big moment today, stand in the power pose that we talked about for 60 seconds. Get in front of a mirror and do that power pose. Then enter the space and speak with your hands. Remember, open palms. Point. Show some clarity. Let your body show your leadership before your words even land on the audience. Okay, now, this is Dr. Derek Sweet, and we're going in on body language. We're making it very simple and very straightforward. And tomorrow is Win It All Wednesday. We're going to go deeper into your walk. We're going to go deeper into your body language. We're going to see how your walk, your jaw, your micro movements, the very subtle signals that are all a part of what you do on a daily basis can make or break you and determine whether you're giving a winning impression or not. It's the art of carrying yourself like a champion. That's all tomorrow on The Sweet Spot. Catch me for Win It All Wednesday. And if you like what you're hearing this week about body language and you're enjoying these tips that we're giving you, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel here. And more than that, we would be honored if you would share it with someone who needs this information. Be blessed and take care.